Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories. First, forest, which grow where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors, dense and open forest grown. We have grasslands which grow in the region of moderate rain. Then shrubs, thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. The changes in the type of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climatic condition. Let us get to know the different types of natural vegetation of the world with their characteristics, features and wildlife inhabiting there. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests are also called tropical rainforest. These thick forests occur in the regions near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even in the daytime. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. These trees are used for various purposes. Tropical deciduous are the monsoon forest found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and in Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and shisham. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and construction materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. Temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are located in mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents, for example, in Southeast Asia, South China, and in Southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Temperate deciduous forest. These are found in the northern eastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal regions of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. Common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, foxes, wolves are the animals commonly found. Birds like pheasants, monals are also found here. Mediterranean vegetation. We have learned that most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. The west and southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in the California, in the USA, Southwest Africa, Southern Western, South America, and Southwest Australia. These regions are marked for hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here. Coniferous forests. In the higher latitudes of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are also called as taiga. These forests are also seen in the higher altitudes. They are tall, softwood evergreen trees. These woods are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. Cheer, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in these forests. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here. Let's study about grasslands. Tropical grasslands. These grow on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. This vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. They can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. Savanna grasslands of Africa are of this type. Elephants, zebras, giraffes, deer, leopards are common in tropical grasslands. Temperate grasslands. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Grass here is short and nutritious. Wild buffaloes, bisons, antelopes are common in the temperate region. Thorny bushes. These are found in the dry desert-like regions. Tropical deserts are located in the western margins of the continents. The vegetation cover is scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat. The growth of natural vegetation is very limited here. Only mosses, lichens, and very small shrubs are found here. It grows during the very short summer. This is called tundra type of vegetation. This vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia, and North America. The animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climatic conditions. Seal, walruses, musk oxen, Arctic owl, polar bear, and snow foxes are some of the animals found here.